Let's stir up the perfect potato salad, which is so refreshing, especially in the summer months. And here is what you will need. 4 diced white potatoes that are boiled, 2 hard-boiled diced eggs, 1/4 cup green onions, 1/4 cup jalapeno pepper, 1/4 cup bell peppers, 1/4 cup celery, 1/4 cup white onion, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoon hot sauce, and a half cup of mayo. First, you're gonna just mix all the ingredients. I'm gonna mix my wet ingredients first. So I'm gonna take my mayo. I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup first, and then I'll add the rest later. I'm also adding my Dijon mustard, which just gives it a little kick. And then I'm going to be adding hot sauce because, as you guys know, I like my things a little bit spicy. But if you want to omit the hot sauce, that's perfectly fine. What you're going to do is take a whisk and just mix this all together to see the consistency. And then what you can do is, if you like, add a little bit more mayo. So as I mentioned, I added 1/4 cup before. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup now and continue to add. And again, you can also add mayo a little bit later as well if you want to have a bit more creamy texture to your salad. So once all my wet sauces have been mixed together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dry spices and add them in here. So what's interesting is we do add a little bit of sugar and salt because you want to have that right balance of spicy and sweet in the potato salad. So just whisk it all together. It's really crucial to get your sauce made first and then add all your ingredients so they bind really well. Now I'm adding all my veggies that I mentioned earlier. Again, if you don't want it to be too spicy, you can leave the jalapeno peppers out. You can definitely add more colors for your bell peppers. So I'm just using orange today because I had that at home, but you can use the green ones, the red ones, the yellow ones, whichever you prefer, or a combination of all. It just makes it more vibrant and more colorful, honestly, at the end. And then you can also, if you like, add more veggies to it. These are the ones that I think complement the salad the best. I think simple is best in this salad. You want the potato and also the egg to be the star. So now I'm going to be adding my potatoes that were pre-boiled and diced, and also my eggs that were hard-boiled and diced. And you're essentially just going to mix it all together. You want to mix this really well because you want to make sure each and every piece of the potato is coated with not just the sauce, but also has, you know, a crunch of the veggies in it when you take a bite. And this salad is such a good accompaniment with any like barbecue, especially in the summer, like I said. You can certainly have it in winter months too for like a feast that you have. You can also have it with rice. You can have it with any type of curries, and you can even have it by itself. It's just that refreshing. I highly recommend that you cool it for at least 2 hours and serve it chilled. The last thing you want is when you show up at a backyard barbecue and the salad is not cold. You do not want to eat this hot. So just to show you a serving size, this is how it looks. I just garnished with some additional red chili powder and green onions, and here are the ingredients for you once again. Definitely try it out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.